Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 271 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about releasing overthinking and returning to presence. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Notice your thoughts circling. You don't need to chase them. Just let them drift by, like clouds in the sky. Now, say to yourself, I release the need to overthink. My mind can rest in this moment. And peace is here now. Breathe gently. Let each exhale soften your mind. When you're ready, gently return to the present and carry this calm mind and heart with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.